I can see my future hairstyle like this car's roof. Bald. Another Saturday, another weekend. Welcome back, car fans. It's your boy DCS. Right on another weekend. So today's car, CENTY Toys, and it's called as the Tiger High Power SUV, and it's a quality product from CENTY Toys too. Yeah, the bottom of the car looks pretty nice. Nice wheels. Yeah, the wheels of this is really cool. Okay, let's just check out the wheels later. First, let's take a look at the car. Yes, this is actually the Volkswagen Tiguan concept. Yes, this wasn't released. Yeah, the Tiguan, the actual Tiguan is larger in size, and this one's quite small because this is the concept car. That's why. And yeah, you get it in various colors: the blue, orange, silver, and yellow. Realistic alloy wheels, tire treads visible, excellent body graphics. Of course, it has some real excellent body graphics, but it's not officially licensed as CENTY Toys doesn't have it. So yeah, that part, let's just leave it to that. But the details, guys, is actually pretty nice. So yeah, before we get on with the unboxing, I just want to talk about my commenters this month. So yeah, thank you, Ghost Gamer 5000. What does he say? I love your videos. Oh, thank you. That's really a good compliment, and I never got that from most of the people, you know, most of my viewers. So yeah, thank you, Ghost Gamer 5000, and also Ayu Ayadin. I'm sorry if I got your name wrong. Well, Treasure Hunt. Yes, that car was a treasure hunt. Which was it again? Yeah, the Cadillac Fleetwood. It was actually a good one, guys. So check out that video too. Anyways, now let's go for the intro. Here it comes.
I'm all the sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Then you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride. And we said things that were cheesy, but we meant them. There were feelings, and now you deny it. You're in love with the idea of me, but you're not in my reality. Find it hard to even picture it, 'cause my reality ain't your reality, no.
That was some real good details. So now let's see it live. Here it goes. Oh, just popped out. Oh, that's cool. So here it is, guys. Yes, the Tiger. It's out. Next on the SUVs. Yes, Volkswagen Tiger right here, because the nameplate says Tiger, so that's why. Anyways, the headlamps are pretty damn nice. First look, guys, really good. And also, this is how the interior looks. I think the interior is pretty repeated in most of the CENTY Toys, but this is actually pretty nicely detailed, so I'll let it slide. And this is how it looks. The side profile is pretty damn nice. Okay, there's a slight chip off right here. I don't know whether the paint just came off or something, but yeah. Anyways, this is how it looks at the back, guys. It's written NMAX, which I still don't know what it means, and fake exhaust tips. Comment down below, what does NMAX mean? I couldn't even find what does it mean even in the concept car, but NMAX, what is it? Anyways, Tiger printed right here. The rear tail lamps are also nicely detailed, and I say fake exhaust tips because they actually proved it. Yeah. Anyways, this is how the bottom looks. CENTY Toys with really good attention to detail tires. I really love them. And the alloy wheels, yeah, I wouldn't prefer these because these look better than this one, guys, so that's why. Anyways, let's listen to the pullback. Here goes. Wow, that's pretty powerful, guys. Like, actually, it is really powerful. So that concludes it, guys. That's the overall looks and details. And there's one more thing, guys. When I was actually checking out the roof rails, suddenly started to, yeah, come off. So you can actually modify this, which is kind of funny. I don't know. And this is how it looks. I couldn't really find the specs for the Volkswagen Tiguan concept, so I got the Volkswagen Tiguan's specs. So first, let's start off with the top speed. Top speed is somewhere around 137 miles per hour, which is 220 kilometers per hour. And moving on to the acceleration time, 6.5 seconds is quite decent, I suppose. And horsepower produces 187 brake horsepower. From which engine, you ask? Yes, here it comes, guys. The engine is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder, which is a TSI engine. And talking about its transmission, yeah, sadly you get it in one option, 8-speed automatic. Yeah, quite a regret. Going for the body style is a 5-door mid-size SUV, guys. And one more thing, this is available in all-wheel drive variants, and also it does not. It actually, the concept car actually had a spare wheel in the back, just like the Eco Sport right here. So yeah, I would really like to see that variant. It would really look good. So yeah, guys, and I forgot to mention this car has a number. Like actually, the product number is CT166. So that you can find this card for the purchase. And don't worry, I've included the purchase link down below in the description, guys. So anyway, that's the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned to DCS, Daman.s for such videos, guys. Anyways, thank you for all the commenters and thank you all. Bye bye, see you next time. DCS out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe!